You want us to do your videos for you? Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy Monday, first off, and guess what happened last week? Our brand new website and brand and division of Ken Collins Marketing launched. This new website is called InsertCatchyTitle.com, where you can go and insert your catchy title. The site is 100% dedicated to our brand new video marketing services. So it's a very particular kind of thing. We're not going to shoot commercials for you per se. I mean, there's an option for doing something similar to that, but not your typical where someone comes out to your place and shoots a bunch of video spots and goes back and polishes them up into a pretty commercial and all that kind of good stuff. That's not what we're doing. I do these shows. I'm the spokesperson for Ken Collins Marketing. And so I appear in these videos. And this is a video series named Ken Drives. We can create the same kind of thing, obviously not a person driving in a truck, but we can provide a spokesperson, a professional actor, public speaker, that kind of thing, that's super comfortable in front of the camera. We provide the content, everything that the people need to say. We distribute your videos, we promote your videos, just like we do for this show here. And that brings us a lot of business. Ooh. So, that brings us a lot of business. So it's a really supercharged type of marketing you can do for your business. And we can do it for you. Now, I'm going to keep doing these videos and giving you tips and tricks on how to go about doing these things yourself. But what I find is that no one actually does them. It just takes time, and you got to figure out all the ins and outs of it and everything like that. And if you want to do that, good on you. Keep doing that. But we can do it for you. So there are 3 different options on the website there. The title package is the same kind of scale as this show, as Ken Drives. The title package will get you 3 videos. You choose your spokesperson from our selection. We take care of the rest. It'll get you 3 videos establishing your company, your business, as thought leaders and educating your customers, helping your customers, explaining your products and services, all that kind of good stuff. But that'll be 3 videos every single week that we will shoot, edit, produce, distribute, and promote for you. Everything's all inclusive. The subtitle package is the same exact service, but only 1 video a week. And that actually fits some business types better than the 3 videos a week. And then the third option is a DIY, where if you just know what you want to say already and you can provide us with a script and you have the ability to distribute and promote your own videos, but you just need a spokesperson and a film studio and everything else. We've got that. So send us your script and we will shoot and edit the video and give it back to you. There it is. So you can do one off. Anyway, go check out the website. It's Insert Catchy Title. It's super cool, and it's our brand new video marketing services division of Ken Collins Marketing. All right, go do that, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.
Hi, I'm Allie, and I'm a spokesperson for Hire here at Insert Catchy Title.
Hi, I'm Luis. I'm a spokesperson for Hire here at Insert Catchy Title.
Hi there, I'm Miranda.
And I'm a spokesperson for hire here at Insert Catchy Title.
Hi, I'm Ron, and I'm a spokesperson for hire here at Insert Catchy Title.
Hey everyone, I'm Tamara, and I'm a spokesperson for hire here at Insert Catchy Title.